Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Pentel Arts Krazy Pop Iridescent Metallic Gel Pens. And I think I've already messed up. Because can y'all see right there? Ink color looks different on dark or light paper. So, we'll take a look at it anyway. Maybe I can like scribble on the back of this. So let's see. Add a crazy pop of outrageous color to your writing world. Well, I definitely want my writing world to have outrageous color. New glittery iridescent ink. Double color sparkle effect. Sparkle effects are important. Ink looks like a different color when writing on white or black paper. Perfect for cards, drawing, doodles. Smooth metallic gel ink. Extra long. Balanced barrel. I guess these are pretty long pens. Latex free grip. 1mm tip for bold lines. Available in 2-in-1 metallic. Available in 4 Krazy 2-in-1 metallic colors. So we got all these. We got Cotton Candy. Cotton Candy Bliss. Electric Watermelon. Velvet Dust. And Lemon Lime Slime. Man, I'm almost feeling like some of these names are too radical. I feel like these pens might have come from like the 90s. I think all they're lacking in the name is the word cowabunga somewhere. Alright, so anyway, let's see if we can identify these colors. So, bold. I don't see anywhere where it says what the name of the... Does that have the name of the color anywhere? I don't see it. Okay, so... Cotton Candy Bliss? Let's try this out. Cotton Candy Bliss. Okay. It looks kind of cool. It does definitely have the 2-color thing going on. I wonder if I can like scribble over this. If I scribble over the K in Krazy, will we get to see the different colors? Can y'all see that? I'm trying to get it where the light hits it so you can see the blue. Because there's definitely... You definitely see the blue more on the black. Alright, that's kind of cool. So, it writes pretty good too. It writes fairly smoothly. So, that was Cotton Candy Bliss. This might be Electric Watermelon. I'm trying to match up the color schemes. I'm guessing this is Electric Watermelon. So... Electric, E-L-E-C-T, Electric Watermelon, melon. That's kind of cool. All right, I like the color. Let's see what happens when we scribble over the A. All right, once again, see if I can get the light to hit it right. You get like sort of a red and a green. That's pretty neat. I tell you what might be kind of cool. If you had like, if you attached maybe a bunch of strips of paper together, like alternating black and white, or different shades, and then you sort of use that. Alright, so next is, this has to be Velvet Stardust. Velvet Stardust. Okay. You may or may not be able to see the glitteriness. Let me see if I can get it so you don't see it. There is definitely some glitteriness to the ink. Y'all see that? It looks neat. I mean, like it's hard to get it to show up on camera, where you can actually see the glitteriness of it. But the Velvet Stardust, you can really see it. And actually, as it started to dry, I can see it a lot better. Like the cotton candy, you can see the blue a lot better in the pink. And the electric watermelon, you can see the red in the green a lot better. The Velvet Stardust looks like you're getting sort of a glittery, maybe a gold in the blue. So the last one's got to be the Lemon Lime Slime. Maybe yellow and green? Lemon Lime Slime. Alright. While I'm at it, while we're letting that dry, I'll scribble all over this. That'll be the Lemon Lime Slime. And this will be our Velvet Stardust. And I'll go over it up here. I'll tell you one thing. The gel ink plus the 1mm tips, you are getting some pretty good ink flow. It's very comfortable to write with them. It's real smooth. So you can see, hopefully, I'm trying to get some light that hits it. You can see there's definitely plenty of glitter in the ink. It's kind of neat looking. The set of them, it's like $10 for the set of 4 on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check them out. It's not bad. They're kind of cool. I mean, like I like the glitter in the ink. It's just kind of neat looking. Anyway, it doesn't. I wish I had some actual black paper we could test it on. I don't see any on my desk. Oh well. But yeah, these are kind of neat, and they're pretty comfortable to write with. I would recommend against taking like a test with these. I have actually had students in my college classes take tests, turn them in ink very reminiscent of this. It's one of the things that made me, it's one of the reasons that made me start using green pens exclusively to grade. Because for some reason, no one ever used a green pen, you know, in like years of teaching. I never had anyone use green. I had people turn in tests in red, which was super inconvenient at the time when I was grading in red ink. So I switched to green. Actually, the other part of switching to green is, and this is just a random thing, but whenever I would grade a test, I tended to make lots and lots of marks on the test. And when you give back a test with just a ton of red ink covering it, even if the red ink isn't bad, it tends to freak people out. But for some reason, green ink doesn't bother them as much. Anyway, who knows? Anyway, let me know what you think about these pens. Neat, kind of cool. Maybe I should have graded my tests in electric watermelon. Something to think about. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.